Hi everyone, today is a bit different. So today we are going to change or do a service on the Nissan Micra. Ignore my dogs and my cats. And basically we are going to change the air filter, the pollen filter, the oil filter, and of course the big boy, the oil. So since I drove the car here, we're gonna have to wait a bit until she dries or refreshes herself, and we're gonna start by doing the filters and afterwards finishing with the oil. Lovely love. Let's go. So continuing, the air filter on the car is located here. This is the box, and there's not much science to it. You just have some clips. You unclip it. 4 main clips. This lovely thing comes out, and there you is. Ugly. And here is the new one. As you can see, a bit cleaner, a bit prettier. What the fuck? How the fuck do I open this? Yeah. Let's not make a mess on the engine bay because it's a big, expensive mess. Just align this with this right here. Drop it in. Drop it in. And done. This part is done. And so the cabin filter or the pollen filter, it's located here. To dismount this, we need to unclip 3 things here. 1, 2, 3. Done. Lovely. And to dismount this part is just some clips here, and another one here, I think. Yes. Okay. And now the filter is this little bad boy here, because I need to try and see how the fucking fuck do I do this. What the I'm on now. Okay. Done. Hopefully you can see. Yes. Okay. Now you can see it's here. It's a bit fucked. Ooh, shit. Aye. This one is a bit gross, to be fucking honest. We are back with the new one. As CHRISFIX says, out with the old and in with the new. I don't think this has a particular way to get in. Wow, it's a bit hard. Okay, spider sense is tickling. Let's go. I fucking hell. Ow. Fucking hell. Who the fuck decided to put this shit here? Hope. Oh, motherfucker. Foda-se, como assim, caralho? Give me a second. Basically, you have to force the motherfucker in. Go in, brother. Come on. Fucking hell. Fuck this. Clip it in. Done. Closed. Let's get this thing here. I want you to see. Done as well. Filters done. Fuck. So that you understand, I have the car on top of those things. And now we are going to take the undercarriage out. So it has 3 millimeters. Oh, this is left loosely. We have to take out. One is here, the other one is here. Oh shit, okay. Fuck you know, that thing is long. No pun intended. As you can see, you can understand which one is. Another one, the other one is here. Mother, why did you not make me rich instead of beautiful? And now we need to take out 11 clips. How? Do not ask. One is out. 10 to go. Ignore my cat. Siri! Siri! Estás a fazer aí? Some of them are actually really fucking tight. Ah, there you go. This one is broken. Ooh, that's not good. But it is what it is. Sometimes the correct tool is half the work. Oh, for fucking hell. There you go. There you go. This is a pro tip I can give you. So this is the under tray of the car. If your car has this, you can, when you take it out, you can spot if it is basically leaking oil or any other thing. Because as you can see, it's dirty, yes, but it does not have any oil stains or anything else. So which means it's not leaking, which is good. That's what we want. I had to go buy... What the fuck am I supposed to go down here? So I had to go buy this lovely thing here, this ratchet, because I did not have the correct number. And to be honest, I am a bit afraid of how this thing's gonna go. Oh well, fuck it. Left, it's like this, I think. No, that's right. This is left. Shit, I'm so afraid. Oh, yeah. Come on now. Do it. This is left, right? Oh no, is this left? Oh. So it's untied now. Oh my god, I'm afraid. Fuck. Okay, it's coming. It's a bit black. I hope you can see it coming. You always have to change the O-ring because this one is used, and it's always good to change that. Wait, I'm hearing noises. I'm gonna let the oil drip a bit more. Okay. Okay, so out with the old filter. So basically, now, wait, we have to put the new O-ring here. She's a bit loosey, but okay. And this is the new oil filter, and this is the new cap. And before that, we need to drip this in oil. This is the cap, which we need to take out the fucking hell. How do I take this? We need to take out the old one to use this. Okay, old one, new one. I need to clean this properly. This is not the best way to do it. There are certain products and certain other things, but I don't have them, and so when you don't have a dog to hunt, you hunt with a cat. This is what I am doing. Battery on the phone, and now it's charging. That's why we have this lovely angle, but everything is closed up underneath, not the cover in itself, but just the oil cap and the oil filter. And now the only thing that's missing to do is put oil in. So the terms of service say it's 4.1 liters inside of the oil pan, and we all know liters are different from kilograms. So, and this thing here doesn't particularly say specifically where one is, so I decided to buy this and just measure it with this. So 1 milliliter, 2 milliliter, 3 milliliter, 4 milliliters, and pretty much that's what I'm gonna do. New oil in. This is still a bit here, I should put that. And now what's left to do is just start the car and let it work the temperature and see if it works.
So basically this is the oil filter cap. As you can see, it's changed, a bit dirty. This is the oil pan bolt, as you can see, with the new pusher or header, or whatever you like to call it. It's not turned out to spec because I don't have the tool for the small specs, the 25 Newton meters and the 30 Newton meters, but you know, it is what it is. Now we just wait until it's basically up to temperature and close everything up.
So I think I would call this a success, given the fact it's yet to blow, yet to give me any signs. I'm still gonna go for a bit of a long drive, like a few minutes. The car is heating up, that's good. It's working well. No different smells, no nothing. The aircon is also working because of the air filter. Yeah, I think everything is pretty much working good. Yeah. See you later, alligator.